Hello and welcome to Level 5 Module 2 of Sheila Joynes Teaches Music Theory. In this module we're going to be looking at some even more complicated intervals and transposition. Now last time I said to you, make sure you bring your brain with you. So if you've forgotten it, press pause, go and fetch it. You're going to need it for this module. Okay, here we go. This is exciting, isn't it? You think I can play this? You may be wrong. This is a euphonium. It's not an orchestral instrument, but as I happen to have one, it's smaller than a tuba. It looks very similar to a tuba, but it's probably an octave higher. But it is a transposing instrument, and as I happen to have one and I can sort of get a tune out of it, I thought it would be worth using it to explain to you what transposing instruments do. Now, this instrument is in B flat. This means if I play an open note, we hope, keep your fingers crossed, with none of these working, so no valves, an open note, it should come out as a B flat, but it would be written as a C. Listen. Sounds like the Queen Mary coming into harbour. It doesn't sound like a C. Here's a C on the piano. Here's the C on here. So if I see a piece of music written in C, at this level you need to know about transposing instruments for two reasons. One, you need to know about instruments of the orchestra for grade 5 exams, and two, you might have an annoying little sister and want to be able to play with her and she plays an instrument that transposes. So you need to be able to write those transpositions as well. Let's just have a look at some scores. It's a little bit difficult finding scores to show you because standard orchestra really is only sort of 20th century music, which is still in copyright. So I've written the first chord of the Joynes Symphony No. 1 in C major, which shows you basically what a standard instrumentation would happen in an orchestra these days. You've got flutes. You might have a piccolo, but you don't need to worry about that. That's a smaller than a flute, but an octave above. Oboes. If you had a cor anglais, which we've already talked about a little bit, that would be written underneath that. Then clarinets in B flat, bassoons, horn in F, trumpets in B flat, trombones, timps, and then the strings. That's really what you would expect from an orchestra nowadays. This will all be on the PDF, so don't worry if you didn't quite catch that.